Okay, so this is how far Jill and I have gotten. Tied that on there like that. Tied it. And then maybe have it dump out right before the front tire, or I mean rear tire. What is the matter with this hanger? How I'm supposed to, I think it's supposed to go like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And also I'm finding an issue with the clearance here, of course, and the way that that bevel lines up on there. There's a brake line right over here that runs up along here. I don't want to overheat that. I don't want to overheat any transmission lines, any fluids. But we'll get it. This piece here connects right there from the glass pack and then runs up along here and down there. And I want it to run straight out the back. I don't want it to dump out right here behind the tire. I want it to go straight out the back. In order to do that, I suppose we gotta get a coupler. And maybe cut a straight piece off of here. I suppose this thing isn't usable. It's got a bend right there. But it wouldn't be too hard to cut this and get a coupler and cement that bitch on there, clamp it. And one of these just popped up on eBay and I bought it. Connects from here to there, but this is the wrong one because it's touching this. And I noticed that this line right here, which one is it? This one? This line here, right there. This line pulled off. It's too tight. It's pushing it down or something. There's a cutout on the back side of this. And I think that's supposed to go so it avoids this stuff. So this is the wrong air filter snorkel